Hello friends, myself Priyanka. So today I come with the part 2 of BoostUPP series. In this series I am going to discuss with you the theory and the MCQs of Target High book. So in my first video I had discussed with you the definition of nursing. So in today's video I am going to discuss with you the scope of nursing, current trends of nursing, role of nurse, expanded education and career role of nurses, and there's some key points related to principles of nursing, then characteristics of a profession, and at the end I will discuss with you the multiple choice questions related to the definition of nursing. So first of all, the scope of nursing. So first scope, to promote the health of an individual and to prevent the individual from the diseases, and to restore the health of a person and to facilitate the person and help the person that how to deal with the disabilities as well as the death. So these are the scope of nursing. Next is the current trends of nursing. So first trend is shortage of nursing professions. Second, evidence-based practices. The care that we provide the patient is based on evidence. Community-based nursing, decreased length of hospital stay, aging population, increase in chronic infection, and last one is the independent nursing practices. So these all are the trends in nursing. Role of a nurse. So nurse can role or act as a caregiver, as a teacher, as a communicator, as a patient advocate, counselor, change agent, leader, researcher and collaborators. So these are the role of the nurse. Next is the expanded education and career role of nurses. So first is the clinical nurse specialist, nurse practitioner, nurse midwife, nurse educator, nurse administrator, nurse role as a researcher, nurse entrepreneur. So these are the expanded education and career role of a nurses. Next is the some key points related to nursing that are very much important. Principles of nursing. So first principle of nursing is safety. Second is the therapeutic effectiveness. Next is the comfort. Next, resource utilization and good workmanship. So these all are the principle of the nursing. Next, Florence Nightingale defined nursing. Who is Florence Nightingale? The founder of the modern nursing and the lady with the lamp. So according to Florence Nightingale, what is nursing? It is an art of utilizing the environment of patient to assist them in their recovery. Environment is the focus of nursing care in Nightingale theory. A profession requires an extended education, training of its members as well as a basic foundation. So Florence Nightingale had given Nightingale environment theory of nursing. So according to her, environment play a very much important role in the patient recovery. So environmental hygiene is mandatory if we want to heal the patient or if we recover the patient as early as possible. So she has mainly focus on the environment at the time of nursing care. Characteristics of a profession. So profession has a theoretical body of knowledge leading to defined skills and abilities. So कोई भी प्रोफेशन क्या होता है, जो प्रोफेशनलिस्ट होते हैं उनमें क्या होता है, एक प्रॉपर एबिलिटी होती है किसी भी सिचुएशन से डील करने की और एक प्रॉपर स्किल्स होती हैं. A profession provides a specific services. Okay, so these two are the characteristics of a profession. Now the last topic of this video is multiple choice questions. So here I am going to discuss with you the multiple choice questions related to definition of nursing, and these multiple choice questions is of Target High book. So first question, which of the following phrase best describe the science of nursing? Option A, application of clinical skills. B, holistic approach in patient care. C, body of nursing knowledge. And D, art of specialized nursing care. So the right answer of this question is option C, body of nursing knowledge. So science of nursing is best described as the body of nursing knowledge. Okay. Next question. The unique function of the nurse is to assist the individual, sick or well, in the performance of those activities contributing to health and its recovery. So this definition is given by option A, Florence Nightingale, option B, Dorothea Orams, option C, Virginia Henderson, option D, Callista Roy. So this definition is given by Virginia Henderson. Third question. The act of assisting others, the provision and management of self-care to maintain or improve human functioning at the home level of effectiveness. The given statement regarding nursing profession is proposed by option A, Florence Nightingale, option B, Dorothea Orams, option C, Virginia Henderson, and option D, Callista Roy. So this definition is given by the Dorothea Orams. So right answer of this question is option B, Orams. So Orams ने क्या सेल्फ केयर वाली थ्योरी दी थी. ओके, सो इस डेफिनेशन में क्या बोला गया? द एक्ट ऑफ असिस्टिंग अदर्स in the provision and management of self-care to maintain and improve human functioning at the home level of effectiveness. Okay. Fourth question. The definition given by the Florence Nightingale mainly focuses on, as I told you prior, that Florence Nightingale ने environmental theory दी थी and she has mainly focused on the environment. So option A, love and affection, option B, evidence-based practices, option C, reliable and valid care, and option D, utilizing the environment for recovery. Yes, so the right answer of this question is option D, utilizing the environment for recovery. Please remember, Nightingale has given environmental theory of nursing and she has mainly focused in environment for the patient recovery.